This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Logan Speaker. Spacious home in highly desired RiversEdge community on the Currituck Sound. 4 bedrooms plus frog plus 2 home offices. First floor offers private office, formal den/dining room, open living space, updated kitchen with eat-in area and bar, laundry room, and large primary bedroom with ensuite boasting dual vanities, tile shower, jetted tub, and walk-in closet. Second floor offers additional office/flex space, 3 large bedrooms, including a junior suite/double bathroom, and a finished room over the garage. The backyard oasis is fully fenced in with a lovely saltwater pool and water feature ready for summer fun in the sun. This amazing community offers a boat ramp and pier, walking trails, tennis court, clubhouse, and playground. For more information, review the details below.